Hey guys, I'm Jason. Welcome back to Street Car Culture's YouTube channel. As you've seen, we are doing an engine conversion on this Mazda 929. So I thought we'll start prepping the engine to remove the engine and box together. So I've got my tools together. I'm going to start with removing the radiator, alternator, all miscellaneous stuff, undo the engine mounts, and then go the engine crane and see how we go. So I've left you on a tripod, we'll go from there. Yes, I don't use power tools. It's mainly because I just haven't had the funds to really buy any, and I've got all my spanners and stuff, so why buy power tools? But yes, it would be most definitely quicker. But it's not always about being quick, it's just about relaxing, enjoying your time. so the exhaust is now off. The exhaust nuts came off really easy. All I had to do was cut the EG pipe. We're not going to use this again, so I tried to get that nut undone. Wouldn't come undone, so easiest thing to cut it. You can see that's a bit wet, but yeah, that's all undone. Exhaust is off, mounts are undone. So basically we are at the point where we can pull this out. All I have to do is hook up the engine crane, loosen the gearbox crossbearer, and just pull out the tail shaft. I'm going to do all that off camera to save you hearing me squirm around on the ground. But what I will show you is I'll give you, as promised, I'll give you a sneak peek of something. Let me go grab it. Alright guys, so as this is a budget build, here is my eBay special front mount cooler, but actually this cooler is for an FC RX-7 in a V-mount configuration, but if you're keen you can see the pipes come up straight through, and I'll show you why. Alright guys, so I've just sat it in there just to give you guys an idea of how I'm going to do it. But see this gap here, obviously this bit here is going to be mounted to the radiator support. So this is going to lift right up, and then the pipes are going to come out. So this is going to lift right up, be mounted to the radiator support. The pipes are going to come out up here. I just can't get the jack high enough to show you guys. But that's basically, that's basically how I'm going to run my cooler. So for the intake, the pipe's going to come straight here into the intake, and then from the turbo it should be just straight in. And then where this is sitting now is probably just under the 3-inch. These are 3-inch or 3.25s. Just under those connectors, that's where my radiator is going to start, and then run a slightly bit lower. I've measured it all up. You won't even see the bottom of the radiator through the apron. So that gives you guys a quick idea of how I'm going to do it. But obviously when I'm up to that stage, I will take you guys with me for the ride. It measures 6'10" across, so it will fit. I might just have to trim the brackets slightly, but no big deal. But anyway, thanks for watching this episode. Next episode we'll basically hook the engine crane up, pull this out, and start on the mower, just mowed today. Start on the MX-6, pulling the front wheel drive motor out. So this one's a bit more intense because I've got to pull the axles out, wheels off, axles out. Then obviously it's a bit more cramped in there. We've got to pull a bunch of stuff up. But yeah, obviously I'll take you guys with me on the journey. But yeah, for now we managed to strip this pretty quick. That's how the cooler's going to sit there, but obviously right up to the radiator support. So yeah, leave some comments below if you're enjoying the content, and I'll see you on the next one.